Okay, ma. Let us discuss the assignment number 38, industries in India. So here is the little diagram mentioned here. Which sector is the major provider of employment? That means in which sector we will get more employment opportunities. The none other than we have the option called agriculture. So what is the option? Agriculture. Agriculture is the answer. Agriculture is the answer. So automatically you know option A. Coming to second one, which sector is the symbol of modernization? That means modern development. Nothing but industry, services, agriculture and none of the above. So what is the modernization? Industrial sector is the symbol of the modernization. Option A. What is the share of industrial sector in employment? What is the share? That means how much percentage it is contributing. So it is contributing the 11%, 15 percentage over here. So what is the answer? 15 percentage. So what is the share of service sector in employment? Service sector. What is the service sector here? So it is contributing around 11%. So what is the answer? 11% it is contributing. An important aim of industrial development. What is the aim of industrial development? To increase pollution, to generate employment, to enhance poverty and to decrease the production. So the three will not be there. It means that it is not the important to increase the pollution, it is not to enhance poverty and it is not to decrease the production. So automatically it is nothing but to generate employment opportunities. Next is, in the dash country began to relook at the existing industrial policies. So in which year many countries has been looking into the development of industrial policies is 1990. The answer is 1990. So these are the options here. So why do you think the government protect people from pollution? It is a general question. You can write by your own also. What is the duty of the government to protect? First of all, it should work for the welfare of the people. So the government should work for the welfare of the people. And in working for the welfare of the people, what should it do? It should provide clean drinking water. Clean drinking water. Yes. So clean drinking water should be provided. And next third one is, it should, whatever the policy is taken by the government should work for the welfare of the people only. It should not harm the people. So in this way the government should work for the welfare. So it should not misuse. Okay, it should not misuse its policies. Misuse its policies. In this way it should work for the development of the people in protecting the pollution. Okay, let us look at the next assignment in the next class. Thank you, ma.